Well, investors are piling into Bitcoin today. Bitcoin topping $46,000 and hitting its highest level since mid-May. Kate Rooney has the latest on the crypto comeback. Hi, Kate. Good to see you.
Hey, Courtney. Great to see you. Bitcoin had been hovering around that $30,000 level since about mid-July. It's breaking out here today, though, topping $46,000. It's up about 6% right now. The market did appear in part to be reacting to crypto's big role in the Senate infrastructure bill. There had been two competing amendments involving a crypto tax provision. Analysts are telling me that if nothing else, it really shows the industry has some pretty strong allies in Washington. Bitcoin did extend that rally today after senators got a little bit closer to a compromise. It also cleared a key level of resistance. Bitcoin passed its 200-day moving average, which Fundstrat says at least signals some short-term price momentum. So a bullish sign there. Courtney, back to you.
That's funny, Kate, because it actually sounds like Bitcoin moved on some fundamental reasons today. If it got some positive news out of Washington, D.C.
Yeah, we don't see that every day, right?
No, definitely not at all. Mike, what do you make of the move in Bitcoin there?
I think you can have that sort of fundamental justification for some of what's going on right now. If nothing else, it's the U.S. government treating crypto space with some sense of inevitability. This is going to be a thing. We have to actually have policy around it. But I also think it's been the Bitcoin's been consolidating for months right now. You kind of recouped almost half of the loss. It makes sense if we trade this way. Also, there's a little bit of a kind of a story stock meme flavor to what's going on today. It's not just in the individual names. You have, Tesla working again. Moderna's trading like wild. We'll talk about that. So I think it all fits together in that sense, but very difficult to project ahead what this means because this can trade. There's no fair value, right? So it just trades on, kind of crowd psychology plus what people think it's going to become someday that it isn't right now.
Got it.
But it has had a steady and significant bounce from that sort of 30,000 level where it was for quite a while. Steve Weiss, I know you've been in and out a bit from Bitcoin via the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Where are you now on this?
Yeah, I actually bought a little of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, but it's just hey, I hate to see this thing go to 50,000, not be there, and it'll reinforce what an idiot I am when it goes back to 30,000. Look, there is no store of value here. I don't even know what that means. There's no fundamentals underlying it. It's not a currency, but it is at this point an asset class, and we can't deny that. So it's going to be momentum. It's always the greater fool theory because nobody can justify the valuation on. By the way, you can't justify the valuation on gold either. You never have. So it's the same thing. This is the modern day play gold, except it's got far less utility than gold had. So it's always buyer beware. It could trade to 100,000, but I wouldn't be surprised if it trades down to zero. More likely, it's just in a narrow trading range, and it's going to stay there for a while.